Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. This is Masuma, and I welcome you to my channel. I love getting inspired and creating something very unique, which is why I wanted to turn the boring ceiling tiles of my apartment into something very colorful and beautiful. I live in a rental apartment, which is why I didn't want to do something super expensive. So I decided I'll be using the existing ceiling tiles. I carefully removed the ceiling tiles. Benefit of using existing tile was that it was pre-cut to the size, so there was one less task of tile cutting. I cleaned the back of the tile and removed the aluminum backing so that I have a smooth surface to work with. I randomly chose the design from Google and just saved it. I created a custom canvas measuring 60 by 60 centimeter using Canva, uploaded the design on it, and then saved it as a PDF. Going in the print setup of the PDF I just saved, I selected it to be printed as a poster with the overlap margin of 1 inch. In the printer selection, I selected Microsoft Print to PDF. Then from the page setup, I selected the page to be as A4 size. And then I just clicked print and saved it as a new PDF. By doing this, I got the lined up pattern paper for the entire 60 by 60 centimeter tile. While selecting the design, I specifically chose a black design on white background so I can easily get it printed on the colored paper, which saved me a lot of money because I didn't have to do the colored printing. I trimmed the sides of the printed paper so the design can align seamlessly. I applied a very thin layer of Mod Podge with brush in sections so it was very easy to manage. I also smoothed the work section as much as possible to avoid the wrinkles getting formed on the paper. Once the tile was completely covered with the paper, I trimmed the excess from the sides. I then applied a very thin layer of Mod Podge over the top and let it dry completely. Once the Mod Podge was dry, I then applied a thin layer of waterproof varnish and finally let it dry completely overnight. Sadly, my Mod Podge ended before finishing the last two tiles, so I got Fevicol white glue from local craft store. The only thing different was it was very thick, so I had to add a little water with it. Remaining everything I did was exactly the same as before. Huge thank you to my house help who helped in placing back half of the tiles and also changing the light. I placed back the remaining half.
I hope that you enjoyed watching the video. I hope that it inspires you to be creative in your own way. All the supplies I used in this video will be linked in the description box below. And if you did like watching the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please do subscribe to my channel to be the part of this lovely creative community.
This is how it used to look. And this is how it looks now.